Hello guys, in this live stream, in this video, I will show you a secret website where you can actually get the API key for your Qwen 3.6 AI model. Qwen 3.6 AI model is a very popular model. If you want to get the API key of that, you can simply go to this website dialagram.me. So in this platform, it provides you with free API key for Qwen 3.6. You can even run this. The website name, you can simply Google that website name. This is actually the website that I'm talking about. It's called as Nexum router by free LLM API key. So it's simply open source. You just need to create an account here and you will get a free API key. So no need to pay money at all. So as you can see, no credit card. It's OpenAI compatible. It works with all the LLM providers. Also, it will work with Qwen 3.6 as well. So simply go to this website, create an account here. So once you click the sign up button, just put the email address and the password. So as you enter the password, click on create account. So once your account will be created, it will actually be redirected to your dashboard area. So after you are redirected to dashboard area, you can create your own free API key to call the AI providers. So this AI can actually build out your coding applications, anything you can want. So this will hardly take 2 minutes to set up your account here. Once it will fully redirect you to the dashboard area where you will be able to create your API key. So it is now, as you can see, preparing your secure gateway. So just this usually takes a few moments, so just wait. So I personally tested out this website. It provides you with free API key, which actually, so once it is redirected to the dashboard area, so Nexum router OpenAI compatible gateway. So this is actually the address on which you will be copy, just copy this URL and now as you can see, the Qwen 3.5 model is available. Qwen 3.6, 3.5. Qwen, as you all know, it's a very Chinese based. Alibaba created this model. It's a very powerful model for coding. And now you will see this option right here, generate API key. So once you click the generate API key, it also gives you the default key as well. By default, it you can, or you can also create a new API key as well. So just you simply give the description, whatever description you want to give here. So I will give a sample, click on generate. And as soon as you do that, your API key will be created. Just copy to clipboard. After that, you can use this API key to call the actual. So now after you get this API key, what you need to do, you can actually use any model. You can use through open router. You have different options. You can also use Olama as well to actually run the AI model directly inside your machine. So if you are using any client here, Kiro, uh, GitHub Copilot, Cursor, anything. So in my case, I am running Olama here. So as you see that we can launch Olama, open Claude, chat with a model. So as you can see that we can chat with any kind of model right here. We can open the open code here, which is actually open code is a chatting provider where you can actually chat with providing API keys as well. So as you can see, this is a website in order to get free API key. The process is simple. You simply sign up and get your own API key. After getting the API key, you open code and so right here, if you want to switch the model, you simply say switch model. And now from here, you simply select whatever provider you want to connect. So as you can see that, so simply select whatever API key you need to paste here, and using that provider. So if you want to get the API key, this is actually the website. After you get the API key, you can definitely use it accordingly in any client. So it can also be various RU code is also a very good extension. We can use RU code in VS Code. RU code is also a very good client. So the setup of API key is very simple. You go to the configuration sector and simply select the provider from here. So make sure that this website appears. So simply light LLM, I think you will select the provider. Yeah, then you can simply use the API key. So the website that I showed you is this one. Definitely sign up and get your free API key, where you can actually call all these models for completely free. Select from the router models currently offered in Nexum. So you can see all these models are provided right here.